If you want to improve the sound quality on JBL Tune 720, first let's open JBL headphones app on our smartphone that is currently connected with the headset. You can find this app on Google Play Store or the App Store, then download it and it should look like this. When you click on your JBL Tune 720, we can find different settings like equalizer. This is a great option to improve your sound quality. You can choose a specific profile or create your own by clicking on this plus button, and you can adjust it to a song or a specific music genre that you're playing. So choose whichever one you like a extreme bass, a bass boost, a vocal boost, or a club. Now we can go back, and then in smart audio and video, if you prefer sound quality over the low latency, you can go for the audio mode, which will increase the audio quality. You can also enable max volume limiter or disable it if you like your music loud. And that is basically everything that you can do.